Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today we're going to take this $5 tree that we got from Five Below and we're going to turn it into this. Pretty amazing. I'm doing this for my best friend Debbie. She has been in many of my videos. We have gone shopping together. She just beat cancer's butt. She has leukemia and she just did it. She did it. So I'm super excited to do this for her. And literally, this is the products that we're going to be using: baking soda, shaving cream, and some glue. So let's get started. So we're going to grab a bowl and we're just going to take our shaving cream, shake it up really well, and just go ahead and put some in the bottom of there. So I always grab the wrong one. For some reason, it's not quite wanting to spray right, but that's all right. Grab some baking soda. Now, there are no correct measurements. It's just as much flakiness as you want on yours, puddling, I guess you could say. Add some glue, or you can use some Mod Podge, and just go ahead and add that in there as well. So we're just going to mix it up very, very well so that it's all combined together. I found all of these products at the Dollar Tree, by the way, as well as the gloves. So you're just going to put your gloves on because this is going to be super messy, and make sure you put something down on the floor too because it might make a mess. So literally all we're going to do is just take like a handful of our mixture and just start putting it on the tree. Here's a close-up of some garland that I'm also doing as well. I'm going to put this on my fireplace. So here's just a little bit of a close-up. So we're just going to kind of bunch it up on the ends of the pine needles. So just going to go ahead and keep running it on through and until it starts to look like we want it to look. We want it to kind of be more puddled up on the ends of the tree versus like towards the center, because the center out in the wilderness wouldn't get as much snow in the center of it. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and keep on doing that. We're going to turn it around here and just keep applying it where we feel it's needed. Now, I did have to go make up a couple of batches because, well, obviously that one was not quite enough. So I went through again and just kind of bunched it up. Now, you do have to let this sit out for about, I would say, a good 12 hours to let it completely dry. And then if you see that it needs a little bit more touch up, then just whip up another batch and put it right on there. So pretty simple. I mean, it really didn't take a rocket scientist at all. So I noticed that it was kind of skimpy in some parts, so I grabbed some white paint. Here's my garland outside. Because the tree's already done at this point. So I just kind of put some paint on some of the places that I thought needed sprucing up. And this is how it turned out. I mean, absolutely amazing. So here it is all decorated, and I think that my friend is really going to be stoked about this. She comes home on Saturday, and I cannot wait to see her. No joke, it's been a year since I've seen her, and it's just, I'm beyond thrilled that she's actually coming home. She beat it. She beat this cancer, and I found these little tags, and I pulled out my Cricut, and I made these little signs on there. It says hope, survivor, and believe, and it has like the little cancer ribbon on there. I do need to go back and color those orange because she has leukemia, or had, I should say, and because that's the color of leukemia. So I'm just like, this is one less thing for my friend to have to worry about this holiday season, and I cannot wait to deliver it to her. So anyway, we took this little tree right here, this little $5 tree, and we turned it into something absolutely magnificent. She is going to be absolutely stoked. Like I said, one less thing for her to worry about. Also, if you guys happen to be feeling a little bit generous this year, please, please, please go to my friend's GoFundMe page. She has racked up some enormous amounts of debt trying to beat her cancer, which I'm so thrilled that she actually did it. But even a simple dollar would certainly mean the world to her. So anything that you can do, I would certainly appreciate, and so would she. Anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys appreciated this. This was fun to put together. I'm super excited to see how she loves it, and I can't wait to see her. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now.